So, why palm trees? I don't know, it's always been kind of an obsession with me. The palms, the ocean, all of those things. So it's really odd that I live in the Hudson Valley of New York State. The two don't necessarily go together that well. But I like living in New York. And I like tropical plants and palm trees. And I don't really want to move necessarily to Florida or California. So I just try to make the best of what I have here in New York because I love my life, but I have to have my tropicals and I have to have my palm trees. But right now in the fall, when I'm trying to cover all of these trees and bring all these tropical plants in, I am about to die. So if you do this, I strongly suggest you do a few palms and not a billion palms like I have, and just have a couple of tropicals and not just keep doing them and buying them, because it becomes an obsession. And even though it's great in the spring, when you're in the fall and having to do all this while all your friends are out drinking pumpkin spice lattes and you're like, no, I can't do anything because I'm spending every waking hour that I'm not at work putting palm trees to bed and bringing tropicals in. It's kind of hard. And I have to keep telling myself, I love this and I will be so happy when it's all done and I can just wait around for spring. But I think the other problem is I propagate everything. Like, I just can't let a palm tree produce seeds and not try to make them grow. So then I end up with all these baby palm trees that are everywhere. And for instance, this year, for the first year, not just my Trachycarpus had seeds, but my Mediterranean fan palm had seeds. And not just a few seeds, but a lot of seeds. And I feel like I have to give all of those palms a chance. And that's a problem too. So, and even if I go and get dates at the store to eat, because I really like eating dates, but dates have pits in them and the pits can make baby palms. So I guess I'm addicted to palm trees. There's just no way around it. Yes, I do like other tropical plants. I love my bougainvillea. I love my gingers. I love my musabastu and all my bananas. But there's just something about those palm trees that I really like. And my friends all think I'm crazy because they come over to swim in the pool and they're surrounded by palm trees and they can't really see the difference in them. But I know the difference in them. And I know all the different types I have. And the one or two times that someone comes over and they actually know the difference in them and are shocked by the varieties I have, it makes it all worthwhile. So this isn't even that bad right here, but you can see palm trees are taking up a big part of my living room. And I've got loofahs hanging from the palm trees too, because of course I have loofahs in my garden and they have to dry. And then my deck right now actually looks pretty sparse, but it's covered with baby Trachycarpus and some date palms there. And then off you can see the boxes that are covering other palm trees. But they're everywhere, and these still have to go inside. I haven't done that yet. And then coming down, I still have a few that are out because the Trachycarpus don't need to be covered till Thanksgiving. So that's my Thanksgiving time, is covering Trachycarpus. And they all look beautiful. They're great. Look how big this is. It's all fabulous and they're pretty and they look really great here. And I can make everything look really nice like this, but it doesn't tell the real story. The real story is when you start panning around and you see that I have all these gigantic structures covering up all those beautiful palms. And it'll even be worse after Thanksgiving when the trachycarpus are covered up. So it's almost like an odd art installation that takes a lot of work to put these together. And they all stand proudly in my backyard. And in the spring, I will totally forget that it took so much work to put all these things up. And I will just be joyful because I have palm trees everywhere. But right now, like I said, I'm dying. I'm just dying. But if you love something, I guess passion weighs out and you just persevere and you make the best of it. But anyway, I thought I should just have a confession on here. It's Confession Day on my channel. And if you like more, please like and subscribe because I will be posting a lot more stuff.